These are our revolutionary Roll Effects eyeshadows. With a simple rollable on the end, they're designed to reduce the amount of waste, mess and spillage of mineral eyeshadows. There are 3 different ways you can use these. You can run the roller across that gentle, delicate eye area. You can tap onto your hand in order to get some powder out. And from your hand, and using the white eyeshadow brush, you can pick up off your hand and apply that way. Or alternatively, your third option is using a nice fine angle brush for fine detail work. You can run the brush along the roller so that you can apply in small areas. And I'm going to show you all 3 ways. Rolling across my eyelid. Blending with the brush. Three easy ways to apply the Roll Effects eyeshadows.